Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to archive chat on Messenger. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Facebook was hardly going to be left in the blue when it came to advertisement. So, was it? On Messenger, archiving conversation hides that message in the archive box. Deleting, on the other hand, permanently remove the message and its history. So, what if you want to archive chat on your Messenger app? It's so simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Messenger app. You can log in into your Messenger account. And here you can choose the message that you want to archive. For the example, I will choose this one. You can just tap and hold on the chat and you can see there is a pop-up up here option archive. You can just tap on that. So your chat will be removed from your chat list and moved to archive chat. So that is how to archive chat on Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!